Hi there, Jesse at EC Auto Repair. Going to visit with you today about some oxygen sensors. So this is actually a fleet vehicle that we've done quite a bit of work to. It actually had some oxygen sensor codes. I'm not sure exactly what all repairs the technicians did, but as a result, the oxygen sensors were indeed bad on this vehicle. Because the oxygen sensors was bad, it resulted in check engine light being on, and it resulted in extreme fuel consumption. So having the oxygen sensors working correctly is going to make the computer recognize the fuel trims better. Therefore, he'll have improved fuel efficiency. So up here, it's hard to see on the video, but I'm just going to show you on the front of the resonators where the upstream oxygen sensor is, and on the back is where the downstream oxygen sensor is. So sometimes one of the questions that we get is, why does it cost so much money to change an oxygen sensor? Well, first of all, this is one of the oxygen sensors that we removed. You can see the bottom half of it's actually broke off, the threads are missing, and that chunk there is missing. That actually had to be extracted by the technician in order to get it changed out. They don't generally just always screw right out super easy. So this one here broke during the removal process, and so the rest of it had to be extracted out. This one here actually stayed in one piece as it came out. This is what we'd call the good boy. We really appreciate that it cooperated. It came out no problem, so this one was a fairly simple. But as you can see, you can't even see them. So it's difficult to get up there and get to them as well. So some of them have special sockets and special tools to be able to extract. But we got it done. We got it done successfully on this. This customer is going to be super happy, and he's going to notice improved fuel efficiency. Let me know what you'd like to see in our next video. See ya.